Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. In this video, I'm going to show you the location of the vapor canister purge solenoid on a 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry with a 2.5 liter engine in it, and give you some information about this component as well. Very easy to get to, located on the driver's side of the engine bay directly behind the air filter element housing. You're going to find your vapor canister purge solenoid. Now when this solenoid opens up, it allows fumes or vapors in the EVAP system to flow into the intake, go through the combustion process and get cleaned up rather than just releasing into the atmosphere. When this solenoid is off or has no power applied to it, it should stay sealed and hold about 5 inches of vacuum. When the computer commands it on or open, it should allow fuel vapors to flow freely. The direction of flow on this solenoid is the hose coming in from the side is coming from the back of the vehicle. That is the inlet. On the bottom side of the solenoid, that hose goes to the intake, and that's how it enters the intake. Now, if this solenoid is going bad, one very common symptom, there are other symptoms to this such as lean codes and stuff, but the most common symptom I see on this solenoid when it's failing, or valve when it's failing, is a problem starting after you fill up your fuel tank or just pump gas into the fuel tank. So when you fill up the fuel tank, it just pushes fuel vapors into the intake, and it takes a lot longer for the engine to start. So it cranks over a few more times before it actually gets started. So a hard starting after fueling is a very common symptom of a failing vapor canister purge solenoid. If you want to test one of these, it is super easy using a 9-volt battery. I do have a video out there. I'll try to put it in the description below, or if you search Scotties Hobbies Purge Solenoid Test, it should come right up using a 9-volt battery. All you do is apply power to this and see if it releases the vacuum. So what you want to do is use a vacuum pump, apply 5 inches of vacuum to it, and then apply power to the solenoid and see if the vacuum gets released. That would be a properly working vapor canister purge solenoid. So when there's no power, it should stay sealed shut. When power is applied, it should open up. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, like, subscribe, share. Tell everybody else Scotties Hobbies. Check out the video library for a ton of other helpful videos on this vehicle and other vehicles. I have a lot of videos coming out and that are already out on this vehicle. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.